Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're excited about diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to buy Bitcoin using Revolut in 2025. With crypto markets evolving rapidly, Revolut has made it simpler and more secure than ever to get started. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will have you buying Bitcoin in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Revolut app installed on your phone. If it's not up to date, head to your app store and download the latest version for 2025. It might include new features like enhanced security or AI-driven market insights. Once you're logged in, verify your identity if you haven't already. This is crucial for compliance with regulations and keeps your account safe. Next, navigate to the Crypto section in the app. Revolut has streamlined this for ease of use, so look for the dedicated tab at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Search for Bitcoin, it's usually right at the top. Now, select the amount you want to buy. Revolut allows you to use your linked bank account or existing balance, and they'll show you real-time prices and any fees involved. Remember, in 2025, expect potential updates like lower transaction fees or integrated tax calculators to help with your investments. Before you confirm the purchase, double-check everything. Review the total cost, including any spreads or commissions, and make sure you're comfortable with the current market price. Hit Buy, and voila, your Bitcoin will be added to your Revolut crypto wallet instantly. For added security, enable two-factor authentication and set up transaction limits right away. One quick tip. Bitcoin can be volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. In 2025, with more regulations in place, platforms like Revolut might offer educational tools or portfolio tracking to help you make smarter decisions. There you have it, folks. Buying Bitcoin in Revolut is straightforward and accessible. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and let's conquer the crypto world together.